Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, body color door handles. Inside you'll find HD radio, steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.